Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deploy your app in Base44. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over and preview the application that you have just built. And then at the top right corner, you'll be able to see a publish button. So you're going to simply click on publish over here. And then you can simply select your web URL if you want. And you can also specify if you want it to be a mobile app. So once done, you can simply click on publish app and it will basically just say that your app is published and live online. So you can simply copy your URL and send it to whoever you want. If the application concerns some security checks, you're going to simply click on security check button and you're good to go. Now, if you want it in the form of application, you're going to click on publish over here and click on mobile app. And over here, it says check your app. So you're going to click on that and click on run app scan. So you can run the scan using App Store guidelines or Google Play guidelines. And then it says build store files and submit your app. So for this, you'll need a premium version. So you can simply head over and upgrade your Base44 plan. So you can see that we have numerous plans such as Elite for $160, Pro for $80, Builder for $40, and Starter for $16. So you can choose the plan that best suits your needs and then you can simply publish your application. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.